welcome back. As you can see, this is my bike, and this is why I'm not riding it. First of all, we have the forks. These puppies are coming out. We also have the rear shock. This guy's coming out because too many track days, too many wheelies. Also, the tank is being removed, doing the valve adjustment. We're also doing the SAS removal, which is secondary air system, just for emissions stuff for California, which we're not in California. Also the charcoal canister as well. All the tubing is taken out, valve adjustment. A couple of tight exhaust valves needed a new shim, and then new front brakes. That's about it. There's a shop in town that we're going to do some video work together, and I want to show you how it is to remake a fork and rebuild a fork. So the next video is going to be full assembly of both front forks and the rear shock, also putting it in this special machine to pressurize it and all this fun stuff. So that's going to be also a great video. As you can see, I'm very organized in my garage because if you do a project and you forget where stuff goes, I like to label it, keep it all lined out. And then the biggest tip I have is get a garage computer with a KTM, in this case Superduke shop manual, where it has every single torque spec information so you can't even mess up if you tried. Very important. Shop manual, you can get them online from your dealer, they're quite cheap. So. Welcome back everyone, it's been a minute since I picked up this camera, but that's okay. Filmed that fun little intro thing of the bike. I wanted to do some cinematic stuff because I'm bored. And I thought you guys might like that. Still storing the homies' bikes. I get tons of questions. Are these mine? No, they are not. I never pretend they are either. These are my friend's bikes. He has too many toys, so he stores some here. I have a decent sized garage, so I have lots of space, no problem. Just finished taking photos of the bike, drinking my favorite beer, of course, Papa Bear from Half Hitch. These guys are awesome. If you're ever up my way, gotta go check them out. But I'll show you everything I have here, right? The gas tank, lights, and all my pieces here. So cleaning everything in this pile here is getting deep clean as much as I can. Make sure everything's nice and perfect. Gonna detail the bike out here. Have to do the brake calipers. All three of them need to get cleaned up because the last track day really got a lot of brake dust on these puppies. These ones might even need new brake pads. I'm gonna double check the thickness guide and all that fun stuff in the shop manual. And guys, I just wanted to do a little update. Everyone asks where the SDR is. I keep making videos on the SDR and what's happening with it and little updates here and there, but people just don't click the videos, or YouTube doesn't show the videos to anyone, or I don't know what happens anymore with YouTube. So here's another video for everyone DMing me if I still have the Superduke. And the answer is yes, she's right here. Also, this weekend, Sunday, is the France Grand Prix MotoGP. It's also Mike, my buddy's birthday, Ducati sales guy, DSG. So come on out. There's a link in the description for the event we're having. We're going to do a ride on Sunday at 12 noon at Crescent Hill out to Cochrane to Half Hitch to watch the MotoGP. So please come out for that. This video should be up tomorrow morning, so that would be Friday. So 2 days notice for all my YouTube viewers. And yeah, guys, this is the most I think I've shown of my garage on this channel, but got all my art and everything. Got my toolbox littered with stickers, because that's the way I like it. My desk and workbench and stuff, and yeah, that's kind of, I hang out here so much, guys. I have a TV there, and then the speakers, of course, which blast music, my winter tires, and my OCD right there, boys and girls. So if you're a new subscriber, welcome to the channel. I've gotten a ton of subs in the last little bit, so welcome, welcome, welcome. And that's a little update video for Friday. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Sunday.